Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you guys how to make a simple crochet scrunchie, and this scrunchie is really cute to me because it looks super ruffly, or however you would say that. Other scrunchies that I've seen that were made by Crochet are super like kind of boring because it's not ruffly enough, you know what I'm saying? So this scrunchie is super cute. It has so many ruffles on it. Count how many times I said ruffles so far, and that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do today. So first, what you guys want to obviously have is some yarn. I have this tan yarn from Red Hearts Yarn, and I thought it was a really nice color to use because it's light and you guys can see clearly. And then I have a 5.5 millimeter hook right here. And then next, what you guys want to make sure you have obviously is a pair of scissors so you can cut your yarn. Or if you're going to be using a different elastic, you can cut that as well, and I will show you guys in a second. I have two different versions. I have a normal ponytail elastic that I got from the Dollar Tree. It came in a pack about 25, and then the other option you guys could use is the elastic that you use to sew into fabric or whatever. So you can use either or. I've used both, but for this one I'm going to be using the black elastic because it's more easier. There's no tying having to do with it. So first, what you guys want to do is start off making a slip knot, and I like to insert my hook to pull the loop through, and you want to tighten it a little bit. And then what you want to do is put your hook through the elastic and then grab the slip knot and then kind of make like a chain one type of thing. So now that you have did that chain one, we're going to do half double crochets around the whole elastic. And basically half double crochet is yarn over, put it through, yarn over again, and pull it through all three. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. So you guys want to do about 74 of those, and you want to make sure you do a lot of stitches so that you can get that ruffle effect on the scrunchie. So you guys want to go ahead and do that. See, I kind of put the string from the beginning of the project to the back because if you put it around the whole elastic, it'll make it hard to stretch. So you want to make sure you put that excess yarn to the back. You actually want to do that from the beginning, which I made the mistake of not doing that, but just pull it out and you'll be good. So I'm getting to the point where I need to stretch it apart a little bit and make more room in order to have 74 half double crochet. So go ahead and do the same thing just so it stays stretchy and cute, you know? So now I have done a total of 74 half double crochets, and for the next row we're going to start by slip stitching to join in the first stitch, and then you want to go ahead and chain one or chain two. So for round 2, we're going to use the double crochet stitch, and what you want to do is you want to increase in every single stitch. So basically you're going to be placing 2 double crochets in every single of those 74 half double crochets, and that's what creates the ruffle effect of the scrunchie. It might be a long process, but it's really not that long. It's pretty simple, just 2 in each stitch and you're done. As you can see, now I just slip stitched to the first stitch and I just cut the yarn, and what I'm gonna do is kind of weave in every loose yarn just to hide it, and that's pretty much all I have to do for the rest of this scrunchie. So now the scrunchie is complete. Like, I love how ruffly it is. Millionth time that I said that, but I just love how it looks like an actual like fabric scrunchie, because normally crochet scrunchies look super boring, but this one actually looks like a scrunchie, which I really love. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know down in the comment section what other type of tutorials you want to see. Now this scrunchie is really a beginner type of tutorial. It's really simple. I have a few more ideas of videos that I want to do for you guys. I have another idea of another type of scrunchie that you guys can also do, which would be a nice beginner tutorial. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.